Come on.
Dude, let's go, Kyle. This is it.
Come on. There it is. Dude, I deadass posted on my head like a fucking
What
wrestler when I was topping that thing.
Fuck.
Good shit, Kyle.
I gotta top it, sorry.
Oh, yeah.
I know it's dumb.
I know it's pointless, but...